Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, this is Sower of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today we're making delicious bubər. So we're starting by soaking a quarter cup of sago in 1 cup of tap water and set aside whilst making the bubər. For this recipe you can use lokshan or the thinner version of the vermicelli. I'm using lokshan today. So as an optional extra, I've got some handful of sultanas, a handful of chopped pistachios. For flavor, I've got cardamom and cinnamon, sweetener, sugar, and rose water. So we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of butter in a home pot, and melt the butter. Add your cinnamon and cardamom. Stir until the butter is melted. Add 1 cup of vermicelli. Stir. So we're going to do this over a low heat as the vermicelli burns very easily. Continue stirring until the vermicelli is golden brown. The vermicelli burns very easily, so just do it over a low heat and continue stirring. I'm using 1.5 liters milk, but you can use anything from 1 to 1.5 liters of milk depending on the thickness you like your bubər. So I like mine quite thin. And then we're going to stir it over low heat still. Add your soaked sago with the water, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of sugar. That's half a cup of sugar, half a tin of evaporated milk, idle milk, your sultanas, 2 tablespoons of rose water. Stir well and leave to simmer. Stirring now and then. The bubər is going to simmer for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And just before serving, you're going to add your chopped pistachios. And there you have your bubər. Delicious, easy bubər. Instead of the sugar, you can use condensed milk, half a tin to 1 tin, depending on how sweet you like your bubər. And then just omit the sugar. And the condensed milk gives a creamy texture to the bubər as well. And there you have it. Delicious bubər, quick and easy, Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights style. Hope you're going to like my video and see you next time. Bye-bye.